Okay, so it looks like there's another day, another AI model that just came out. This is exciting news. Every new week and every new day, you have this AI model dethroning the previous AI model. And this time, OpenAI finally delivered on a model that can compete with Google's Gemini 2.5 and Claude 3.7 when it comes to coding. They just introduced O3 and O4-mini. They've been talking and saying how it's one of the closest things to AGI, and there have been reports of it scoring 87.5 on the ARC AGI. Now, if you don't know what the ARC AGI is, it's basically a test or an assessment. It's a test or assessment that gauges how efficiently an AI can learn and generalize from minimal information, kind of like how a human learns about a new concept. And it basically just reflects the fundamental characteristics of human intelligence. And what makes a human intelligent is the fact that we can teach each other and teach ourselves how to do things without any knowledge or previous knowledge on it. So as you can see, it scored an 87.5 on the test, while humans scored an 85. Super impressive. ChatGPT's capabilities have been extended even more now, it being able to, search the web multiple times, analyze files, and even analyze complex data using Python. You're able to import matplotlib now and pandas and numpy into ChatGPT directly in order to do better, more complex things. So this is super impressive stuff. And actually, looking through X today, I saw this interesting post about the scores on Livebench on O3's capabilities when it comes to reasoning and coding capabilities. Now, we know Gemini 2.5 and Claude 3.7 are one of the best coding models out there right now. You've seen my videos on them. A lot of people are absolutely loving these models, but O3 High is actually scoring way higher than both of these models, both in reasoning average and in coding average and in global average. So that leads me to believe that we have one of the best models out there right now, and I'm very excited to start building apps and stuff with it. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to add it into VS Code because currently there's a different way to adding it, and then I'm actually going to show you how to add it into Cursor too. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you want to go to platform.openai.com/API keys, grab your API key, and make sure you have it, because you want to use it into VS Code. Once you've copied it and you're ready to go, in order to add O3 High and all the other models into your VS Code, you kind of understand what's happening right here. If you watched my previous videos, you just want to search for an extension called VSCode. It's one of the best AI agents chat extension in the planet. It has 5 stars right here. It's way better than Copilot's agent. A lot of people have been raving in the comments about why don't you just use Copilot agent? It's not as good as VSCode. Trust me on this. It does way less mistakes. It has way better agent-like capabilities, and you can actually know how much money you're spending with your API key using it. I'll show you in a second. So once you've searched for VSCode, click on it, install it, all ready to go. You want to click on this kangaroo right here, and then you're ready to go to your settings tab. You want to choose your API provider, choose OpenAI. You want to paste your API key, and then here, it's really important to choose the O3 High, the best model between the O3 family. The High will give you the highest coding capabilities. As we saw from this chart here, the O3 High had the best capabilities. So once you're done with that, you're ready to go. You can click save. Once you've saved it, you click done, and then you're ready to go. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't capable of getting it to work because I need to verify my organization. And there's kind of like a know your customer type thing where you need to upload your ID, verify your information, and then you have to wait until they give you access to it. And unfortunately, I couldn't get access within the time frame of this video. I think waiting, and then you can probably get access after that. But we can go to Cursor here, and the way you add it to Cursor is all you have to do is just go to the settings tab right here. Now, once you're in the settings tab, you want to go to models right here, and you'll see all these models that you can add. We just want to add O3 and O3 High. And really importantly, we want to add O3 High, as we said, the best model. And then after that, after you're done, you can actually click off settings. And then here, you want to click Control I in order to open the Cursor Composer, or they call it the chat right now. And you'll see this model O3 doesn't have good agent support yet, but that's fine. We could just continue. And then you want to choose here the O3 High. Now, I might know why this is not working. It's because currently I'm in a different country from when I created my OpenAI key and such. So that's probably why I'm visiting family overseas. So it's not going to let me probably use my stuff, and I need to verify a lot of things, but you generally get the gist of it. Please try out this model for me. Tell me in the comment section below what you think of it. I'm very excited and keen on using it once I'm back stateside. I don't know why it's not letting me doing this stuff. I might have to communicate with OpenAI and speak to their customer support, in order to talk to them and see what we can do in order to get access. But that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. We're on our way to 12,000 subscribers and 20,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm super excited about the amount of support that we're getting. It's so cool seeing how many people love the work that we're doing on this channel here. And I appreciate every single one of you. Be safe, be well. Join the Discord down in the description if you want to talk to me. I answer every single question there, including in the comment section. If you haven't noticed, I try to answer everybody's questions here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm very excited about the new models that are coming out. I'm just itching to use them and build a project. Be safe, be well. I'll see you guys next time.